me, together with Voreqe, who's the general manager of this magnificent hotel.
I know the size of the facility and the other hotels that we have. And certainly that warmth of hospitality provides in
expansion. People are very, very, very important to us. I hope I've mentioned.
I'm delighted to join you to celebrate an important day, not only for tourism industry, but our country. The rebranding of this wonderful resort in Denarau, which from Sunday becomes the Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa. Many Fijians and hundreds of thousands of overseas guests already know this property as the Hilton. So to avoid any confusion, let me explain the significance of this event and this occasion. Strictly speaking, since it opened in July 2006, this has been the Fiji Beach Resort and Spa, managed by Hilton. When it opened its doors, the resort was not fully completed, and so Hilton withheld full branding until the property reached the required standard. The many thousands of people who have gone through here will have noticed that the front of the resort hasn't been as grand as the other hotels on Denarau, and that's because it's still work in progress. Soon after it opened, nearly 8 years ago, the overseas owners and developers struck financial difficulties, and the property went into receivership in 2009 with significant debts. 2 years later, in October 2011, the Fijian-owned Vision Group acquired 60% of the resort and settled those overseas debts. It was a remarkable achievement for a local company. The Vision Group, with the assistance of the Reserve Bank of Fiji and Voreqe, was able to steer this valuable property out of difficulty. It saved the country significant foreign currency outflows and also showed Fiji and the world that a Fijian company is just as capable as a foreign company of satisfying overseas receivers and lenders. It significantly enhanced Fiji's financial reputation in the international marketplace. In March last year, the Vision Group acquired the remaining 40% ownership, making the Fiji Beach Resort and Spa a 5-star resort fully owned by local private investors. It has been a wonderful achievement and one that we hope will be repeated as time goes by, because there's no reason why Fijians can't make acquisitions of this sort to the highest international standards. I want to pay tribute to the Vision Group for its enterprise and commitment. It deserves the highest praise for showing confidence in Fiji and boosting the tourism industry on which we all depend. The Vision Group commitment has persuaded Hilton worldwide to give the resort full Hilton branding from this Sunday, 1st March 2015. It becomes the Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa, and the Vision Group is investing a further $28 million to complete the next stage of the resort. This includes a new conference center and function room, a new restaurant and pool complex, and new back-of-house facilities and production kitchen. Another 115 rooms are also being added to the existing 340 rooms and 164 villas. With a further investment of $15 million planned in 2017, yet another development phase will add a new entrance, lobby, retail facilities, food, beverage outlets and spa. Hilton is not only a famous and trusted name around the world, but is also an integral part of Fijian tourism, joining the other great global brands, the Sheraton, the Shangri-La, Sofitel, Radisson, Intercontinental, Wyndham, Westin, and of course the new Marriott at Mommy Bay. My government regards all of these iconic brands as valued partners in Fijian tourism and important members of Team Fiji, the overarching brand we are all taking to the world. Vinagavalevu Hilton worldwide, Vinagavalevu Vision Group, and Vinagavalevu to all of the management and staff who have already made this wonderful resort a draw card for travelers from around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I now have much pleasure in launching the Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa and wishing it many years of success. Thank you.